Oh, it's coming right towards us.
Boom.
Great job.
Thank you. Now it's all grassy and wet.
Was that fun, Dashiell?
Can I do it again?
Can you do it again?
How about, can you help Mr. Tor do it again? Yeah, I think that can be arranged.
Sorry, I can't completely.
No, of course. Hey, listen, I would crash it too.
What's this?
All right, watch this. Wow! Off it goes.
Can I be your co-pilot?
Yeah.
You can do the little one and I can do the white one, okay?
Whoops.
Whoops.
Actually, you got to make sure that when you do the controls that you were watching what the airplane's doing.
Watch the airplane. Yeah, exactly. Watch it as you move the control. You can see what you're doing. Good. You have to watch the airplane. Come around here and watch the airplane. I'm gonna move it left, okay?
Okay.
Watch the airplane. Turning left.
No white.
Now right. You see it going right? Now you want it to go up or down?
I'm gonna go down.
Down? Okay. Watch it going down. Okay.
Can you land it?
Land it again?